So you just finished the carb clean on your single carb 750. It idles great, but it won't take the throttle. Above, won't take it. Obviously I don't have the air box on to give it that restriction, but regardless, it won't take the throttle, especially when you snap it quick. One thing to look at is your accelerator pump working. You see that little nipple that's right hanging out above or before the vacuum slide. Okay, what you're looking for is for that to squirt fuel. When I'm twisting the throttle up here, that should be functioning. Should be squirting fuel down into the throat of the carb. Accelerator pump squirts fuel directly into the intake, richening up the mixture, allowing it to accept that super lean situation that you put it in, twisting the butterfly all the way open. If that accelerator pump is not working, pull the carb back out and expect that system. I'll show you guys a working one once it's clean. A little bit better view of the accelerator pump function. As you twist the throttle, it applies pressure to the plunger. See how slow that responds? I'm not really liking that to begin with. But that uses fuel inside of here with a diaphragm and a spring, pushes down in the plunger, sending fuel up this pipe and into there. Pull it apart, inspect. I was able to loosen that back one up with a 90 degree. This has worked really well. I've actually already cleaned this carb, and I was skeptical of this accelerator pump because of how stiff the diaphragm on it was. So my skepticism proved its worth. Because I know that the bottom of this is clear. You need to make sure that that has transfer into that centerpiece. There's a ball bearing and a spring behind that, and make sure that that hole there can also be functioned. If you were to spray carb cleaner, brake contact cleaner into there, it should come out there as well as the center of that. And I know that all that is functioning. So it comes to the reason being this diaphragm is not functioning quite like it should. There's my spring. Goes on the bottom of that, up against this diaphragm. I can push this down, out here. So that fills up with gas. Underneath, when you apply the plunger, squirt, it pushes a pressured fuel up into here, and out and in. So this diaphragm, these are like 60 bucks too. That's why I was trying to help him out, save him some money. But you can see how dried out that is. It's just not gonna function quite like it should. So new pump going in. New pump installed. Give it a couple twists, let's see if we're working. Obviously put some fuel in the line. There it is. See that? If it's not the plunger, and it's not the very bottom of the accelerator pump jet orifice, make sure that obviously that brass tube that runs down in is clean. You have to squirt something up through into the bottom of that bowl to make sure that it is actually spraying out of that orifice. If it's not, soak it in something and make it work. Obviously that can cause a blockage if there's dried up gas inside of that tube, not allowing it to be forced out of it. Ta-da! Good to go. So, on a bike that is properly set up, check out MotorcycleMD website, brand new vintage tees are in stock. If you have not already subscribed to the mailing list, make sure you do. I have a free gift for you there. It's a troubleshooting cheat sheet. Breaks down tons of different systems in a motorcycle to help you diagnose them quickly and effectively. Also add a little bit of knowledge in there for you so you can understand what is going on. It's totally free for joining the mailing list. Also, if you don't already know, if you'd like to contact me, get in more depth knowledge, training, and understanding of the bike, fix problems one-on-one with me and many other guys, I also have the Inner Circle membership. It's growing every day and tons of content is on there that may not make it to YouTube. A lot more exclusive, in-depth training that I would love to share with you guys.